How to fix cheating is bad in Hamster Kombat. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix cheating is bad issue in Hamster Kombat. The cheating is bad card is issued to players whose accounts show signs of suspicious activity such as using bots or farming keys unfairly. This card may appear even on the new accounts. As precautionary measure, you will need to stop using any automated tools or bots that might collect keys or perform actions in the game. This can lead to account penalties and the issuance of the cheating is bad card. For that, you will need to engage with the game naturally and you will need to complete achievements and participate in activities without using shortcuts. Also, if you are logging into your multiple Hamster Kombat accounts from a single device, then you will need to avoid it. Instead, if you need to use another account, you can do so from a new device to prevent triggering the cheating detection system. Also, make sure to complete at least one achievement in the game. If you believe that your account has been wrongly flagged, then you will need to reach out to Hamster Kombat support for clarification and assistance. You can go to the Hamster Kombat official website or community page for the support resources. There, you can also look for the FAQ section that can provide you the immediate answers to common issues. You'll also be able to reach out to them through Hamster Kombat's official social media channels like Twitter or Facebook, and from there you'll be able to solve your problem. You can also come back to the Telegram homepage and here look for Hamster Community. You will need to join the community and here also you'll be able to get the solutions for your problem. You will need to keep an eye on official announcement regarding game updates or changes in policies. So by following the steps, you should be able to fix cheating is bad issue on Hamster. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.